Hello, sir. Today, I will demonstrate how to design a database using SQL statements. This activity includes creating database, adding tables, inserting data, deleting table, and removing a specific record. For this demonstration, we will use the database name CorpusDB and work with three tables. So to start, we will create a database name CorpusDB using the create database statement. Now we will create a three tables in SQL. Name customers, orders, and products. Each table will have its own unique columns. Ayan, use. So now insert at least three records in the customers tables. We will insert three tables records in the customers tables. After inserting, now we will drop the product table using the drop table statements. So go push SQL. So ayan na drop po yung product kasi yun po yung kinocall natin. So after dropping, now finally we will delete one record from the customers tables using the delete statement. So delete from. So ayan, na-delete yung Pedro Reyes kasi yun yung kinocall natin. Kung sino yung may first name na Pedro at saka last name na Reyes. That's it. We have successfully created a database, added tables, inserted data, dropped a table, and delete a record using SQL statements. Thanks for watching.